I had no idea how to do all these things. All I had to do is just clean my face once, and I'm like, we are done. And now I am paying the price for all the damage I did to my skin. So this is just like a very simple video for anyone that's into makeup and don't know how to cleanse off your makeup properly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. If you are new and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. So we are back to my bedroom. It's been a long time I did a video in this place. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated how I take off my makeup. So this is going to be like really beginner friendly. I did a video like this once and you guys seem to like enjoy it a lot, okay, because it gets views like every single day. But I've switched up some things and I figure why don't I show you guys. It's been like what, 8-10 months since I filmed the last video. So in this video I'm showing you guys how I take off my makeup, the updated version, the things I've changed. I have changed almost everything. I've changed the step, but they're both still effective, but this is just like better. Okay, so if this is what you want to watch, if this is why you clicked on this video, what the hell am I saying? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, of course I'm going to just pull my hair away. So I'm just going to tie this and take it away from my face. And you want to make sure you take off any jewelry that you're wearing. Okay. Take off your rings, take off your earrings, just take off everything that has metal that is on your body that is going to like touch your face one way or the other, because we are trying to be clean here. Alright, so try to take off all your jewelries, and this one is like extremely difficult to take off, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that everything is off, the next step is to take off your lashes. And of course you can go in with an oil and dissolve it, but this was not like super glued in because I just did this makeup for Instagram. You can check it out on my Instagram page. I'm going to leave my link in the description box. So this was not like super tight on my eyes, it just was easy. So you take off your lashes and I'm going to put it back where it is. This is the Bouncy lashes, by the way, in the shade Bella. Okay, Bouncy Beauty. So guys, the next step for me is a cleansing balm. Now this is from Inky Liz. This is their oat cleansing balm, okay, and it says helps remove makeup and cleanses sensitive skin. Now I use this, or I use this from Caudalie. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is the brand. Okay, this is their makeup removing cleansing oil. So either I use this from Inky Liz or I use this from Caudalie. I'm sure I butchered the name, but like, yeah, so you can use any cleansing oil that you have or cleansing balm. So for today's video I'm going to take this one from Inky Liz, and this melts off my makeup like, just watch. Let me do the eyes so you guys can see what I mean. Gone. 2 seconds. Gone. Oh guys, I was looking at the mirror because I wasn't able to set my camera this way, but that aside, I was trying to like get everything. It melts off everything, including my mascara. Like, I don't know if you guys can see my mascara, but my mascara is all off. Like, everything is off. In case you're wondering, I have oily skin and oily sensitive skin, so no, this oil is not going to break me out because I'm going to wash it off right now. Okay guys, so my face is all washed but still dirty because I've not washed it. I just like melted off my makeup. So I'm going to go into the cleanser. I'm smiling because I think I'm using a lot of Inky Liz cleansers today, which is weird. This is definitely not sponsored by Inky Liz, by the way. So this is their salicylic acid cleanser. Okay, I told you guys I have oily skin and I have sensitive skin and I break out a lot. So this is amazing. So a little really goes a long way. So I'm just going to take a little. Also I use a little because it is so difficult to get like Inky Liz products in Australia. I mean, it's in Sephora, no doubt, but it's always sold out. Okay, so I'm going to massage this on my face for like 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. So anyway, this is not foaming up a lot because of course I still have like a little bit of makeup, but I'm going to wash my face twice just to make sure everything is gone. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go back in again for the second time, and this time I'm going to just, yeah, it's going to definitely foam up this time around because my face is a bit more cleaner. See? So once again, I'm going to massage this on my face for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to take it off. Okay guys, so now my face is all washed. Sometimes I let it like dry down on its own a little bit, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys how clean my face is. It doesn't feel squeaky clean though, but it is clean and there's no makeup on my face. So okay, I clean my face, my neck. So this is what the tissue looks like. Ooh, see? Still sparkling, clean. Yeah, exactly. This is what it is. Alright, so because this is going to be like a beginner friendly thing, I'm not going to go in with all my face treatments, but I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid, and this is from Inky Leaves too. Okay, this is a hyaluronic acid. This is what it looks like. You guys have already seen this. Okay, can you focus? I usually use this one or the ordinary one, but the ordinary one is a little bit weird, so I still prefer this one from Inky Leaves. I'm going to spray my face a little just to keep it down, and then I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid. Like I said, I use it very like little. Guys, it's difficult to get Inky Leaves here. I don't know why things are always sold out. Okay, so after my hyaluronic acid, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. If you want to see like a detailed night skincare routine, I could do that. This is not like a skincare routine. This is just me taking off my makeup and just the basic things that I apply. So for my moisturizer, I use this one from QV Face. This is from QV Face, and it's their Nurturing Night Cream. Okay, it's their Nurturing Night Cream from QV. Ignore everything I was saying. This is from QV. Okay, this is their face cream, their night cream, their night face cream. There are so many face creams that are there in the market. Yeah, you can use any moisturizer that you have. It's just that this is easily accessible in Australia. And by the way, this is what it looks like. It's just white, just white. So I'm going to apply this on my face. And yeah, that's it. Very simple, easy step. That's how I take off my makeup. The easiest way to take off your makeup. Just simple step. Okay, cleansing balm, wash your face, moisturizer. I mean, you might not even want to use hyaluronic acid. It depends on you. But this is just the basic step for a beginner that is into makeup. Because I know how I ruined my face when I started doing makeup like 2017. I had no idea how to do all these things. All I had to do is just clean my face once, and I'm like, we are done. And now I am paying the price for all the damage I did to my skin. So this is just like a very simple video for anyone that is into makeup and don't know how to cleanse off your makeup properly. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I have a night routine. This is not my night routine. I use like some treatments that fades my dark spot and all that, but I didn't want to use all that in this video. So if you guys want to see a detailed skincare night routine, my night skincare routine, I think that's what it's called, my night skincare routine, let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.